skipping stone. And I will be your company when you find yourself alone. And I will be your money when you can't afford your home. I'll be your lake if you are my skipping stone. And I'll be your jacket when you're stuck out in the cold. And I'll be your medication when you're sick and tired and old. And I'll be your umbrella when that roof just won't hold. I'll be your jacket when you're stuck out in the cold. But of course, I know that you need some time to grow. I'll be your lake if you are my skipping stone. I'll be your lake if you are my skipping stone.
Is something wrong?
Are you sure you should be eating that?
Well, I haven't eaten all day.
Could have fooled me. You don't have to get into one of your moods now. You always complain about how you're ugly and how you want to change, but then you go around doing stuff like this. I don't know what you want me to do.
You're right. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry that you have to have a body. I'm so sorry that you have to have a body. Oh yeah, I'm very sorry that you have to have a body. One that will hurt you and be the subject of so much of your fear. It will betray you, be used against you, then it'll fail on you, my dear. But before that, you'll be a doormat for every vicious narcissist in the world. Oh, how they'll screw you all up and over, then feed you silence for dessert. I'm so sorry that you have to have a body. So very sorry that you have to have a body. Oh yeah, I'm sorry that you have to have a body. Filled with infection, 100 scabs, singing in unison, eyes and hands. Sometimes bullets uninvited passing through us. I'm so sorry that you have to have a body.
What's gotten into you? Did you lose some weight?
I wake with you when the weather whips across the window. I shake like maraca with my nose inside your elbow. I quake and I cower as you coddle, coo, and comfort. I am scared, and you said that I
Love you. I love you.
I bring you my leash so you take me for a walk. When we go in the car, I let you put me in the box because I know that you know what I need more than me, and I know that you need me more than that. I will fill my feedbag full of food. I will walk along this ugly lake. Time to reconnect me to the deeper, come reconnect. I will walk along this cheap-looking lake. Eye contact with someone and then look away. I should speak with someone I don't know today. People are real. To be awake for such a shitty dream. A bullet in the head of every decent thing. We're witnessing the golden age of theft and greed and bigotry. So I will speak with someone I don't know. I thought I knew you, now I don't know anyone. So I will fill my feedbag full of food today, hungry boy. I will fill my feedbag full of food. Feeling weird yet tasting sweet. It's a top, bottom, rock, smoking magic mask, making it bleed. feeling sweet, getting weird. Now I can see the playground for the trees, and I can see the playground from the trees.
Ow. Oh. Ow. Ow. Okay. That's a little bit much.
And we'll show the neighbor
What is going
kid what our love actually means. He's here from out of town, and I heard he's got ADD. We'll climb the tallest branch with a rifle full of dreams, and we'll blow the little dickhead up to smithereens. Getting naked and playing with guns. There's a gerbil in the microwave, a baseball bat, and everyone sharing kisses and building a bomb. We'll set it off.
Love you.
Hey, did you change the smoothie this morning?
Oh yeah, I just put extra cheese seeds.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Have a nice day.